Good day, everyone. Thanks for making the stop here with us today at Work Truck 360. My name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Work Truck at Safe Fleet. And I have some exciting information I'd like to go over with you on Edition 11. The industry right now is actually chugging along very, very well. However, we're right in the midst of model year change. So the 18s are rolling out and the 19s are getting ready to come in. It is time for everybody to get excited about those new models. And that also drives us here at the Prime Design division to take a strong look at some of the product gaps that we've had. The engineering team at Prime Design has now developed a solution, a ladder rack solution, for the longer wheelbase Mercedes-Benz Metris. That'll be a great product offering for fleets, end users, large to medium contractors, etc. out there. American Van will be launching their next catalog on September the 3rd. This will be packed with all of our safety-related products. As everyone knows, Safe Fleet is a developer, manufacturer, and seller of best-in-class, high-performance, safety-related products to the industry, and we target those that are operators, passengers, and pedestrians that are looking for a safe solution. We've also updated our website with all of our video and our lighting solutions, so look for that as well. The industry right now continues to keep rolling, and we are too here at Safe Fleet. Thanks for making the stop here with us today. Have a great day, and thanks for your business.